Installation of outdoor unit. Steps to install outdoor unit. First, prepare the foundation. Second, installation of damping rubber pad. Third, carry the outdoor unit. Fourth, fixing outdoor unit. First, prepare the foundation. The foundation for installing outdoor unit must be strong enough. Ensure that the drainage is smooth and that the ground drainage or floor drainage is not affected. We must use concrete foundation. Requirements on the concrete foundation are as follows. The concrete foundation must be flat and have enough strength to undertake the unit's running weight. The height of the foundation is 20 mm to 300 mm, which is determined based on the size of the unit. The proportion of the cement, sand, and stone for the concrete is 1 to 2 to 4. Place 10 reinforced steel bars with a space of 30 mm among each other. Clear the oil stains, crushed stones, dirt, and water in the reserve borehole of the foundation, and install a temporary cover before installing bolts. Build a drainage ditch around the foundation to discharge the condensed water. If the unit is installed on the roof, please check the intensity of the building and take waterproof measures. If a used steel foundation is adopted, the structure must be designed with sufficient rigidity and strength. Second, installation of damping rubber pad. Please apply a damping rubber pad with thickness of 20 mm or more and width of 100 mm or more between the outdoor unit and the foundation. Third, carrying outdoor unit. Choose a suitable crane according to the weight of outdoor unit. The rope shall go through the carrying holes at the base. The unit cannot be inclined during carrying. Fourth, fixing outdoor unit. Fix the outdoor unit to the foundation with 4 M12 bolts securely to reduce vibration and noise. Installation of refrigerant pipes. Steps to install the refrigerant pipes are as follows. First, preparing and installing the support, hanger, and brackets. During preparing and installing, choose the corresponding specification according to size of pipeline. If they are too small, the pipeline will be squeezed and installation performance will be affected. If they are too big, it will be a waste of money and the pipeline cannot be fixed properly, which may cause vibration. The style and workmanship of supports, hanger, and brackets must follow the local standards. The distance between supports, hangers, and brackets is as shown in the diagram. The pipe led through a wall or beam must be fixed by a support, hanger, or bracket on both ends at a position 300 mm away from the hole. Second, cleaning and processing the pipe. When installing the refrigerant pipes, please ensure the directions and branches are correct within minimum length. Use minimum number of braze welding junctions and elbows. There are two ways to clean the pipes. The first way is cleaning straight pipes with a piece of silk cloth. Apply some Clariline to the cloth. Push the cloth in one end of the pipe and pull out from the other end repeatedly to remove the sundries in the pipe. The other way is cleaning coils by blowing nitrogen through the pipe. After cleaning, cover both ends of the pipe with sealing caps or adhesive tape immediately to avoid sundries getting into the pipe. Third, pipeline insulation. When adding the insulation sleeve, please select the sleeve specification according to the copper pipe diameter. Users cannot cut the insulation sleeve apart. Fourth, connecting and fixing the pipe. During welding the pipeline, please follow the regulations strictly. Prohibit welding pipes without charging nitrogen. Prohibit welding pipes with gas. Prohibit fixing the pipe too tightly or too loosely. Please adjust the flexuous pipe straightly. Before connecting the flare opening of the pipe to the indoor unit, please clean the pipe first and then arrange welding or connection. Installation of branch pipe. Requirements of branch pipe installation are as follows. A. Ensure that the branch pipe model is correct. B. During installing branch pipe, make sure the length of straight pipe at the front and at the back of the 3 connection pipes is no less than 500 mm. C. There are 2 methods of branch pipe installation. A. In horizontal installation, the 3 ports must be on the same level. The shaping size and assembly angle cannot be changed. B. In vertical installation, the direction can be upwards or downwards. 3 ports must be on the same elevation without inclination. D. Ensure that the branch pipe is close to the indoor unit to reduce impact on refrigerant assignment by indoor unit branches. Fifth, cleaning the contaminants of pipe system. Firstly, connect the pressure regulation valve on the nitrogen cylinder to the gas pipe in the outdoor unit. Regulate the nitrogen pressure to about 0.5 megapascal F per centi-square meters and blow nitrogen into the pipe for 1 minute. Repeat this operation for 3 times till the dirt and water are discharged. After cleaning the gas pipe, perform